Okay, got this little safe hookup right here. Sink area. Over here, we have the toilet area. Okay, we have the shower. Decent sized closet on both sides. Decent sized closet. Plenty of space. Screen TV. We also have the mini bar down here. I gotta keep it 100 with you. My view is terrible view if I'm looking at next door, because there was a lot of construction. And when I got here, it was a whole big thing built up here. They took it down since I've been here. Yeah, they knocked it down. Maybe it was another part of the resort or something that was over there, or another resort. But yeah, they knocked it down since I've been here. Majority of the structure anyway. But from this angle, you can see part of the pool, and you can see part of the ocean right there. Yeah. It's the city view. You know what I mean? If you overlook the hill, you have a city view. It's just from my angle. I'm pretty sure they got better angles and better pool and ocean views. But yeah, glad you guys can join me. And don't forget to thumb up the video, tell a friend, and please subscribe. Until next video, peace.